Okay, this is my Word document interface, Microsoft Word app interface. So it shows some documents I recently created. But here my interest is on file sharing. So I can decide to create a fresh file by tapping on the plus sign. You select either template or blank document. But here let me work with the document I created recently. So I go with the option document 3 5. Okay, so it opens. Then I will tap on the edit button. Alright, after that I will tap on this three dots. Alright, then select share. You can see share here. Alright, now I have to hold on for the document to load, which it has done already. So I'm provided with three options here: manage, shared with two, share as link, and share as attachment. So I'm going to go with the option with share as link. Okay, now it has given me two options whether I would like the recipient to be able to edit the link or just view only, view the link and access the document. So the choice is yours. The fact is that no matter what you choose, the person can access the document at the end. That's the main thing, and that's what this video is covering. So I will go with the option to edit link and giving him the power to edit link. Now it has shown some applications that I can share this link with, which already installed on my phone. So make sure the Messenger app is already installed on my phone, on your phone as well. Okay, now it is identified as chat, so I will tap on it. Okay, it has displayed some contacts I have on my Messenger. Alright, you can swipe down or to get to the person you want to share the document with. On the other hand, you can decide to use the search to get to the person you want. So you see, I've typed the name of some persons for me to see them from this. Okay, so you have a lot of ways. Either you swipe down or you type the name of the person. So once you get to the name of the person you want to share the document with, tap on the send button. And immediately the document will be sent to the recipient. So it's as simple as that. These are just the steps you can take to share your Word document file in your mobile app to others via Messenger. I hope it's understood.